Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to list all RDS instances across all AWS regions using Boto3 and Python. I'll link to videos of how to get that set up if you don't already have Python or the AWS CLI in the description below. All right, I'm going to quickly run this because it does take a second here, and I'm going to walk through the script. So we have importing Boto3, importing JSON. We're getting all available regions for RDS service. Then we're looping through those regions, and we're creating an RDS client, and then we're running the described database instance across all regions. And then it's going to do the quick print statement. I also have it saving that all databases just for my personal purposes, but that is the script there. And then I can show you when we ran that, it ran and I only have one RDS instance in US West 2. It's called database 1, but it did loop through all regions and would identify everything you need to know. I'll keep this available in the link below, but that's it for this tutorial. I showed you how to list all databases across all AWS regions. If this solved your problem, please let me know by commenting and liking this video. If you want to support the channel and let me know that you're getting some value, please subscribe. Thanks all. Happy auditing.